Let's talk about using the Ozonics HR600 with the DriWash bag. So the first thing right off the bat, just like our other Ozonics units, is that you're going to make sure that you're running the Ozonics on dry wash mode. So you can access that dry wash mode actually on the unit itself by, it's going to start in standard mode. You can then press it to boost mode. You can press it again to hyper boost and then press it again to dry wash, or you can access it through the app as well. The other thing to mention when using the HR600 with the DriWash bag is before your Ozonics would fit upside down. So instead of it like this, it would literally be like this with the fan on the bottom. But now we're going to put the unit right side up. So the lid is going to be facing upwards. So imagine this is the slot of the DriWash bag. What we're wanting to do is, again, make sure we're on DriWash mode, and then we're just going to fit this into that slot on the DriWash bag. And the air is going to get pulled in just right from the top like it would be when you're in the field. The dry wash mode is going to run for 10 minutes and automatically shut off. The other thing to mention is you got to make sure to remember that ozone is only going to oxidize on whatever it comes in direct contact with. With that said, you want to make sure to treat the inside and the outside of your clothes. You know, a little tip, I like to turn my clothes inside out to start and then run it to 10 minutes and then turn my clothes right side out, run it one more 10-minute cycle, and then on the second cycle, my clothes are the way they would be and I'm good to go. Thanks for watching our video on how to use the Ozonics HR600 with the DriWash bag. If you have any questions, jump on our website at ozonicshoney.com or feel free to give us a call at 979-285-2401. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again and good luck out there.